The birthday list will begin with double digits for Miss Aniston Bowen. Aniston is celebrating her 10th in McCune. Birthday was yesterday, I know that, Aniston, but we're going to continue it all the way through the weekend, and I want you to know this comes with love from both mom and dad.
Rayleigh Nelson turning 10 years old this year. Rayleigh is in Parsons, Kansas.
Grace Tatum, she has a sweet 16. Grace, a very happy birthday in Joplin.
And belated birthday wishes going out to Mackenzie Leroy, who turned sweet 16 yesterday. We can still celebrate today. Mackenzie is in Chanute with love from Pap and Mia.
Also in Chanute, we're celebrating a birthday for one Faith Hockett, as Faith turns 24. And what a wonderful picture there of Faith and her little nephew. Faith, I want you to know that birthday wishes with love from the whole family.
All right, in Milo, Missouri, Kelsey Greer celebrating birthday number 29 this year.
29, a good number as well for one Kristen Maddox. Kristen, a very happy birthday. She celebrates in Parsons.
All right, and Melanie Kent Culp turning 44 years old this year. Melanie, hope you have a wonderful one in Galesburg.
Brian Stroud, a 70th birthday. Mr. Brian, good to see you, sir. And a very happy birthday in Frontenac.
And happy birthday coming from the whole family.
Oh, wow.
For Mr. Ernest Winslow, who's now 88 years old. Look at that cake
That's
there.
a cake.
Ernest is in Lamar.
That is a cake now. Larry and Sandy Hudson, a milestone for them as they are celebrating their 10th anniversary. Congratulations to Larry and Sandy. They celebrate in Carthage.
All right. And Jim Cern in Altamont, happy birthday to you. Granger Dean Bunce turning 4 years old in Baxter
That's a good name
Springs.
right there. That's a good name.
Granger Dean.
Granger Dean.
Yeah, I like that. And Melanie Kaler in Columbus, happy birthday.
Bradley Thompson, he is celebrating number 14. Bradley, these birthday wishes with love from Mom, Dad, Brendan, Brooklyn, and Hazel. And Bradley is celebrating in Oswego. Brian and Jamie Martin, anniversary wishes with love from Mom and Dad. Brian and Jamie are celebrating their 19th together in Columbus. And Roger and LaDonna Banbury. How about this? 37 years for Roger and LaDonna. Congratulations to the Banburys in Edna. A happy birthday and a happy anniversary to all on this January the 8th. That's where you can submit them to. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. So you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
When we transition over to Fox